Today's video is based on the question, what would happen if a black hole entered our solar system? So there are two predominant types of black holes in the universe. The first are supermassive black holes found turning at the center of the galaxies. These don't really pose a threat to us until our galaxy collides with another galaxy like the Andromeda galaxy in a few billion years. The closest black hole to us is called Cygnus X1, which is about 6,000 light years away from us, measuring 27 miles in diameter. If a black hole like Cygnus X1 were to stray near the solar system within a year or so, its gravity would cause chaos. The orbits of the outer planets and comets would be significantly and possibly disastrously altered, and this would in turn threaten the orbits of the inner planets and even the Sun. However, if the black hole passed directly through the solar system, then things get immeasurably worse. At a distance 100 times greater than that between the Earth and the Sun, the black hole would pass through the Oort cloud. It's possible that this would send a large number of comets hurtling inwards towards Earth and the other planets. Aside from this influx of comets, however, things wouldn't seem so awry at first. As the black hole made its way into the solar system, it would be invisible to us aside from a slight gravitational lensing effect on distant stars. It's not until it started to tear gas from the outer giant gas planets that a noticeable accretion disk, a region of superheated dust and gas, would form around the black hole. Now the terrifying power of the black hole is all too visible to us on Earth. Despite such a black hole being several thousand times smaller than any of the planets, its mass would be several thousand times greater. Thus, any planets unfortunate enough to be caught in its path would be devoured, even those as large as Jupiter. If we couldn't see the black hole yet, we'd certainly notice the planets suddenly being torn limb from limb. By the time the black hole reached the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, things would look bleak for us. The intense gravitational pull of the black hole would have torn our planet asunder, causing devastating earthquakes and supervolcanoes, the likes of which humanity has never witnessed before. Upon reaching Earth's orbit, our planet is all but doomed, reducing to a smoldering, uninhabitable, magma-laden rock, with Mercury and Venus soon following suit. The final battle between the black hole and the Sun wouldn't be quite so one-sided. A gravitational tug of war would ensue, and depending on the initial mass of the black hole, there's a chance the Sun could survive in some shape or form. Unfortunately, the most likely scenario is that, like the planets, the Sun is ripped apart and joins the planets in the swirling mass of superheated dust and gas roaring around the black hole. This accretion disk would extend hundreds of thousands or perhaps millions of miles from the relatively tiny black hole at its center, placing our solar system with a circular inferno of the dead inhabitants it once housed. Fortunately, the chances of a black hole entering our solar system is insanely small. It's like winning the lottery 10 times in a row. However, if you do happen to do that, then please tell us so we can start to panic. Thank you for watching today's episode of Dose of Knowledge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys later.